So you're thinking about moving to Nocatee, Florida and Ponte Vedra, Florida? Well, today I'm going to take you through a beautiful, quick move-in home by Providence Homes. We're going to go all the way through it and the yard and even up in the attic. You're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about living in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name is Wike. I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. So now we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this beautiful quick move-in home by Providence Homes. It's the Magnolia model. It is 3,143 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, and it's ready. Move in now, ready to go. You can see that it's got a beautiful paver driveway. This home is on a 60-foot lot. It's already beautifully landscaped with a irrigation system on a timer. Gorgeous front patio. Plenty of room for lounging and enjoying your front patio. Again, we have pavers throughout on the driveway here. You have 8-foot openings for all the doorways and all of the entryways within the home. Let's take a look inside. That's a very nice, solid core 8-foot door. You have 8-foot openings throughout this home. Very nice high ceilings. Wood look tile in all of the main living areas, tile in the bathrooms, and carpeting in the bedrooms. Let's take a look at the first bedroom. Very large windows for lots of natural light. Nice sized closets. Here's the first bathroom. Got a tub shower combination. Tile all the way up to the ceiling. Nice niched area there in the wall for shampoo, soap. Nice digital thermostat. And this home has multiple zones for the air conditioning system. Take a turn to the right. Very nice stop and drop area here, right across from the door to the garage. You've got a 3-car tandem garage here. You also have this nice area here for a golf cart or golf carts, since Nocatee is very much a golf cart community. There's your breaker panel and timer for your sprinkler system. Going back inside. Very nice dining area here with a tray ceiling. You have these can lights throughout the house as well. Very nice lighting. Make a turn up the hallway here. You have an oversized laundry room here with a wash basin, wire shelves. That's for your data and tech lines there. More counter space, cabinets. Another bathroom. This one has tile again. Nice niched wall, tile to the ceilings. Nice shower. This is bedroom number 2. Look at the height of these ceilings. Large closet. Look at these ceilings, coffered ceilings. It's the main family room area. That's a triple slider glass door, double pane glass. Nice eat-in area here, like a cafe area, partial bay window. Check out the kitchen. Huge pantry. Space for your refrigerator. These are 42-inch cabinets, 18-inch cabinets all the way up to the ceiling, plus crown molding. 5-burner gas stove. Nocatee is a natural gas community. Beautiful, fully ventilated area there for exhaust over your stove. Huge sink, deep sink. No separator. I like that myself. Stainless dishwasher. I want you to notice this island. You could probably seat 8 people at the island alone. You have cabinets underneath the island as well. It's a double oven, and this oven has a microwave as well as convection feature. This is the primary bedroom. Owner suite. Have a really nice barn door here. Massive shower. Water closet. Double vanities. Freestanding tub. An enormous master primary closet, which connects through to the laundry room. How convenient is that? Here you have an office, double doors, which close here. Let's take a look upstairs. This is going to be the 4th bedroom with another full bathroom. You could use this as a bonus room if you didn't want to use it as a bedroom, but it's fully conforming because it has its own door, windows, attached bathroom, tub shower combination, gorgeous tile the way they laid it, that niched wall. Another large closet. Okay, we're going to take a look in the attic. And I want you to notice that is spray foamed insulation on every surface of this ceiling. And it's nice and cool in here compared to outdoors, trust me. It's Florida. And it's Mighty warm out there today. I love Florida, but it does get warm. But it's not warm in this attic. Oh, I also wanted you to see this HVAC system is set up with multiple zones for temperature control and energy savings. All right, let's take a look outside real quick. All right, taking a look out back. Again, triple slider glass door. Another doorway out from the cafe area. Nice pavers here. Of course, you could screen this in if you wanted to. Look at the depth of this lot. And you can always add a fence, metal fence like this. Gorgeous preserve behind. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of this beautiful quick move-in Magnolia home by Providence Homes. If you have any questions about Nocatee or any of the communities within Nocatee, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. And let me know what your thoughts are on this house. Do you like it? Do you like having that bonus room upstairs? Do you like having the stairs? Would this house work for you? What do you think? Remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'm happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And if you do decide that you want to take a look at any of these communities, particularly new construction communities, please reach out to me so we can arrange to come together for the first trip into the community. The builders do require that customers bring their realtor with them to represent them, of course, on the first visit. If you want me or any other realtor of your choice to work with you during the home buying process. And like I always say, hope to see you around town.